everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara, and today I'm going to share with you another tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be on the classic ripple. So, I tried this once before when I first started out about 7.5 years ago. It's probably been about 8 years by now, but I did terrible at it. But since then, I've actually gotten the hang of it, so I'm going to show you how to do this stitch, how to do this little pattern. I'm just going to do a little swatch. You actually can make it any size that you want because it's in multiples of 17 stitches. So, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so to do this tutorial, pick whatever yarn you want. I'm going to be using Red Heart Boutique Unforgettable, and this is in the color Tealberry. I'm going to be using a size G hook, and I've got my scissors for when I'm ready to tie off. So, set your scissors aside, and let's get started. Okay, so the reason why I just stopped you guys right after showing you what you needed is because when dealing with the Red Heart Boutique Unforgettable yarn, sometimes you get into a little bit of a struggle when you're trying to find the center string. And this, my friends, is what we call yarn vomit. It is the yarn that comes out from the center of the skein. And as you can see right here is the piece that comes out from the center, but it's all tangled here. So I'm going to untangle this and then we'll get right to the tutorial. Alright, so I untangled all of my yarn, and now I'm going to do a chain of 17. You're always going to do a multiple of 17 for this pattern. So that's 2, 3, that's 17. I'm going to do another 17 just so that we have enough repeats. And there we have it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, go into the 4th one, and do a double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is what you should have so far. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in the next stitch. So go double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in the next chain. So then you're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. 7 stitches, sorry. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you can see it's already starting to form. You've got a nice little corner right there. So now what you're going to do is you're going to skip the next 2 chains, and then you're going to double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So skip 1, skip 2, go into the third, and there you go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. See, and now you're starting to get your ripple. So now in the next one, you're going to do double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So that's double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch. Your double crochet, chain 2, double crochet will be in the same stitch. So after you do these 7, you do the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch. Now just double crochet in the remaining stitches. Now if you worked that out correctly, you should see this little zigzag that's happening. It's also known as the chevron stitch. I know I've heard that quite a bit. But in between each corner, you're either going to have a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in one stitch, or you're going to have a double crochet, skip 2 chains, and then double crochet in the third chain. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back through and we're going to do the next row. So I'm going to give you guys some time to catch up. So I'll see you guys back when we're ready to do the next row. Alright, so for row 2, it's pretty simple. The pattern just repeats itself, only the beginning is a little different. What you're going to do is you're going to chain 3, you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. And that is a double crochet 2 together. So now you're going to double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Now what you're going to do is in that chain 2 space is you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Now you're going to double crochet in the next 7 stitches. You're going to skip the next 2 double crochets, and you're going to go into the next double crochet, and you're going to double crochet. So now you're going to double crochet in the next 7, and you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the chain 2 space. In the next 6, sorry, I forgot that the double crochet in the chain 2 space is your 7th. Now you'll double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in the chain space. And there you can see the ripple is, well, it's pretty much there. So now you need to make sure that you have 7 by the time you get to the end. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 2 at the end. Now go ahead and double crochet until you get to the 2 at the end. Now what you're going to do is you're going to double crochet these last 2 together. So like I showed you, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And there you have it. And that is actually the row that you repeat until you have it the exact length that you want it. Alright, that's it. So don't forget to like my video, comment down below, give it a share, and happy hooking, everyone!